Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Godzilla and Goku from Dragon Ball as one character. Let's get started. Alright, let's go over how to draw a merging of Godzilla and Goku. Alright, let's do it. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to throw a line out there for kind of the snout of Godzilla. Pulling down over here for the front of that snout. Across the front, which is kind of the, kind of the opening, parting the mouth. Smile, because Goku has a smile in the picture I'm going to emulate. Up over here. The brow, up. Down over here for kind of the eye of Godzilla. Pulling up. Down over here, line there for the eye. Kind of matching that little smile, you know? Nostril. Teeth sticking down over here on along the sides. Line across over here, back, up. And I'm going to draw a little line right there for kind of the bag under the eye, kind of the crunchiness of, the features there. And neck gets bigger as it goes down, very Godzilla-like. Back over here as well, big neck. Line over here for kind of the changing of the planes right there. There's a bit of and then curve line over here for the throat, curve right there. And there's going to be kind of that front snake belly as we have with, Godzilla as we normally do. Let's go over here, curve in up like a check mark for Goku here. Curve down over here upward. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, or give me a character name. What is the mixture of Goku and Godzilla? What would that character name be? And now I'm going to pin that comment. But if you can tell it to me, I will pin that comment. Curve up over here. Line right here for the back of the head. Pulling in, down, in. Down over here. Pull to the back. He has no ear, so it's kind of, is this like line right there, but he's no ear. Got an ear canal though. Check over here, larger check. You want to just get the gist of Goku's hair, right? He's got like a big kind of bunch over here. You want to group them out and like just slight them out. So there's this big bunch in the back, right? Mostly that area. You want the flat part of Goku's hair right there, kind of the touching the back of the head. And then there's a pretty big check mark up. A similar one that's going forward. Out over here, out over here. Dang, that looks... Sorry, I'm like laughing at how stupid this is. Okay, curve over here. And we're going to do the Godzilla spikes in the back, which are oddly very similar shape-wise. Curve over here. I'm going to go downward over here. It's just going to be like his upper chest sort of thing. So... we're going to see kind of the folds of his arm a little bit here, out over there. Cool, cool, cool. He's just standing there like, what's going on? And then curve, curve, curve. These curves for the scales, right? You can do it in the face as well, by the way. You can kind of throw the... But the face, you have to be really careful. Because... it'll really crowd stuff. You want to do these thin as well. Very, very important to draw these lines very thin. Over here. And then, again, that snake belly in the front, right? Very Godzilla snake belly. All right. And we can fill in the hair, but I don't want to kill the marker. Oh, all right, we're going to fill in the hair. So when we fill it in, I'm gonna leave that line in kind of along the edge, some of the edges, because I want it to be visible, right? Because it won't be visible, right? The shapes and the hair if you just fill in the entire thing dark. So anywhere there's an edge, you want to draw a line in there, which is very, very comic book like, by the way. So while we're doing this, I want to talk a little bit about what kind of mixtures you want to see in the future. So a lot of these are requests, like, hey, what would Godzilla look like if he was merged as one character with Goku? What would Godzilla look like if he was merged with Mr. Beast? That's another video. You can always take a look at that. There is a playlist for these. I will kind of update the playlist soon. Forgive me. But yeah, it's good to kind of have all this stuff. It's good. It's good to kind of exercise your mind with these sort of things. You can also try it yourself. Try to mix a couple of characters. You're like, well, what would that character look like, and what attributes from their design can you pull in order to kind of make it better or more believable, or then some, because it definitely helps. This is looking goofier the more I fill this in. Yeah, what would it be? Godzilla and Goku mixed together, because they both begin with a G, right? What would the name be? Ah, these are funny. Anywho, there you go. That's Godzilla. We could even go crazy and put like the back, like maybe this whole thing is hair. Like instead of the spikes, they're literally hair. God, that'd be so dumb. Anyways, hit the like button. Yeah, these are pretty. I would say they're complicated to do and talk with, you know. But definitely hit the like button if you did. Helps the algorithm out on the channel if you want to help the channel as usual. That'd be great. And then otherwise, I'll see you soon. Don't forget to check out the cool new website, sketchmonsterart.com. But stick around, either share the video or stick around, and we're going to do another drawing lesson together right now. So let's start another drawing lesson together right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.